Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stefan, and in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to play Kabalevsky's Opus 39 number 1. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and make sure to check the notifications bell to never miss a new video. Also, I now offer online piano lessons. If you're looking for one, there's going to be information in the description below. Opus 39 is a great book for beginners. It contains lots of pieces in a progressive manner for technical difficulties and developing technique, expression, and musicality. The first piece is very short, is only 8 bars long. First, let me demonstrate the piece to you, and afterwards I'm going to break it down into pieces and talk about the difficulties and what to watch out for. So there we go. So the right hand has a lovely little melody, and as you can see there is a slur above the small phrases, so you have to play it very connected, very legato, but at the same time you have to lift up your hand between the slurs. So the first slur is the first 2 bars, then lift and a second phrase. Lift, and so on. So every time you see a new slur, you have to lift up your hand, and that's going to help you to develop phrasing. Now, as you can see, it's quite easy to read the right hand because it's mostly made up of steps and skips, so seconds and thirds. We have some articulation in the right hand. We have a tenuto mark in bar 4 on the D, which basically just means that you put a slight pressure on those notes a little bit louder than the rest. The left hand is written in the treble clef, so you have to start at middle C and G, not down here, but at middle C, and it's a 5th C and G, but it's asking you to play it with 5 and 2, so you can seamlessly move to the next chord and back. Now this one might be a little bit stretchy in the beginning, but you have to relax your wrist and be able to transition from one chord to the other without any gap in between. If you hear anything like this, that the 2 notes are not perfectly together, you have to stop and correct it. The notes need to be perfectly together even when you transition from one to the other. As you can see, we've got the slurs in the left hand, so that's why we play legato. And again, you have to lift up your hand between the slurs. So here we go. Lift. 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 Shift up your hand and tenuto mark. Now, once we put these 2 together, the good thing is that the lifts happen at the same time in both hands, so lift, accent. And once you manage to play the whole piece hands together from beginning to end, then you can have a look at your dynamics. The beginning says mezzo forte, so it has to be fairly loud, and then from bar 5 we have a piano, so going quiet and crescendo, getting louder all the way to the end continuously. So starting loud, quiet, getting louder, and the tempo says andante, which is walking speed, so nothing too fast but not too slow either. The time signature is 4/4, so 4 beats in every bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the key signature is C major, so no sharps and no flats. Play the piece very slowly in the beginning to make sure the articulation is crystal clear, and when it goes a little bit better, you can speed up and add the dynamics to it.